Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can mute an artist on Spotify. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So all you need to do is open up Spotify and you can obviously go to an artist that you want to mute. So just click on the three dots next to the song on there and it'll give you the option to go to artists. And obviously you can pick the artist you want to mute. And you should see three dots near the top, so you just want to click on that and it'll give you the option to don't play this artist. So all you have to do is tap on there and it'll just let you know we won't play music from this artist again, and it'll have this little block symbol next to the artist itself as well. Thanks for watching.